We need to log in into the Horizon console, the admin console. Go to desktop, add automated desktop pool, full virtual machine. Okay, vCenter, this one. Next. This time we can do dedicated. Okay, say next. 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 Let's put persistent. Okay, to more clarify this word. Persistent. Next. Naming convention. When client 0. One machine is fine. Next. Now template. Browse. We have created this template, right? To understand full desktop pool. Submit. VM folder location. Okay, this is fine. Host cluster, resource pool cluster, and the data store. Submit. Next. Remote machine power policy. Take no power action. Log off, disconnect, immediate. Show assigned machine name, of course, and alias. Okay. Next. Okay. Disabled. Maximum number of monitor 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to give, you can give. Maximum resolution, if you want to increase, you can do so. Say next. Next. Leave it default. Okay. Yeah, default setting is good. Next. Submit. Desktop pool added successfully. It may take a while for desktop pool to appear in the listing. To view the updated list, please click on refresh button. Okay, boss. Refresh. Windows 10 full desktop. Open it. So I go to entitlement, add entitlement. I'll give sysadmin. I'll assign this user. Okay. So it is customizing right now. It's still customizing. One quick check we can perform is that, we should know that whether, okay, it's still in progress. So what we are going to check is whether this machine is, we can able to see in the Active Directory. Very quick check. Okay. Okay, that is there, meaning it's connected to domain. Let's go back to Horizon. Let's refresh. Okay,